If Chrome is giving you JavaScript errors, pages not loading properly, or websites that keep refreshing without working, this video will help you fix it step by step. We're going to cover the most common Chrome settings that can break JavaScript, how to hard refresh a page, how to clear cache and cookies, and how to test whether an extension is causing the problem. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dot menu. From the menu, select Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings area where you can control privacy, site permissions, and browser behavior. Next, click Privacy and the security on the left side, then select Site Settings. This section controls what websites are allowed to do in your browser, including pop-ups, camera access, notifications, and JavaScript. Scroll down until you see JavaScript, then click it. On the JavaScript page, make sure the setting is turned on for sites can use JavaScript. If JavaScript is blocked, many websites will load incorrectly, buttons may not work, and pages may appear broken or frozen. Once this option is enabled, go back to the website you were having trouble with and reload the page. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. If the website is still not working, the next thing to try is a hard refresh. Open the problematic website and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F5. If that doesn't work, try Ctrl plus Shift plus R. A hard refresh tells Chrome to ignore the old cached version of the page and download a fresh copy from the website. This is very useful when a site is stuck loading an outdated script or broken file. If the problem continues, clear your cache and cookies. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Chrome will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that may be causing the issue. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Once the process is finished, restart Chrome completely and test the site again. Now, if Chrome is still not behaving properly, the issue could be caused by a browser extension. Extensions can interfere with JavaScript, block scripts, or create conflicts with certain websites. To check this, click the three dot menu again, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of everything installed in Chrome. Turn off your extensions one by one, and after disabling each one, reload your regular tabs and test the website again. This helps you pinpoint the exact extension causing the problem. If the page starts working after you disable a certain extension, you've found the culprit. At that point, you can leave it off, remove it, or replace it with a safer alternative. So, to quickly recap, the fix is to first make sure JavaScript is enabled in Chrome settings, then hard refresh the page, then clear cache and cookies, and finally disable extensions one by one if needed. These are the most effective steps for solving Chrome JavaScript not working, refreshing, or loading issues. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.